YouTube, so what's the word? Listen, I'm not going to keep you guys too long, but before we get into the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn post notifications on. If you don't like the video, hit the dislike button. I respect everybody's opinion over here, you know what I'm saying? If you're returning, welcome back, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate you, you know what I mean? But if you're new and you just hit that subscribe button, I appreciate you as well, and welcome, you know what I'm saying? Look forward to you watching some more videos later on. But we're going to get right into it. So this clip has been out for about a year, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna do no unboxing, we're just gonna get right into it. You guys see it, the JRL clipper. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, when I first seen that they were dropping a clipper, it was one of those things for myself like, yo, JRL, I know y'all from audio. I'm not gonna lie to you, like when it comes to DJing equipment and just like audio, that's it, you know what I'm saying? I never knew you guys to make anything barber related. So it caught me off guard. I'm not gonna lie, I had a lot of doubts. And I know the barber industry, we got a lot of innovators and, you know what I'm saying, and just game changers. But for JRL to drop a clipper and barber and stuff, it just, man, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it caught me off guard. I said like I do with kind of all these other clippers, I'm gonna sit back, let, you know, the guinea pigs go ahead and purchase they clippers so I can see what the pros and the cons are, what defects they might have, so I can see all that, and then I can evaluate it and ask myself, do I really want to invest into, you know, this type of clipper rather than like a wall clipper? 9 out of 10, you know, the wall clipper gonna be like that, because wall done been around forever, you know what I'm saying? But JRL, y'all just started knocking on the door. But I can't lie, I love what y'all got going on, you know what I'm saying? I love it, you know what I mean? And one thing I do love is this clipper right here. I only had this clipper for 3 weeks. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but this clipper right here is the only clipper I have picked up for fading. My seniors, I still use them maybe to detail a little bit here and there. My masters, of course, I pull those out to detail, cutting down the hair with my detachables. But for purposely fading, that's it. Yo, I'm telling you, these joints are butter. You know what I'm saying? Straight butter. Like, that's it. That's words cannot explain. The only word I can put on the joint is butter. Let me tell you guys why. This is the #1 reason that I like this clipper right here. I can literally cut it on and have a nice conversation with my client, whether it's a therapy session, whether they just want to trip, you know what I'm saying? They don't have to yell. We can just have an inside voice conversation, and it's not like they trying to, you know, lean over a little bit to hear what I'm saying. I'm not trying to get a little closer to them. We can literally just have a conversation and be good, you know what I'm saying? This is on its highest speed. I know you guys know that it comes with 2-speed. This is the lowest speed right here. I'm not sure if y'all can pick that up on camera, but that's the high speed, low speed right there. And man, dope as hell, you know what I'm saying? I do think that the lowest speed is if you cut like wet hair. I really don't cut wet hair unless I'm styling the hair and I'm just like, you know, shaping it or detailing it a little bit. That's really the only time that I, you know what I'm saying, cut wet hair. And even then, like, I have never used it on this lowest speed. I always keep it up right there. You know what I'm saying? This is another thing that I like. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that on camera or not. It's 2 hours. So that's telling me I have 2 hours of runtime left before the clipper, you know, completely dies. Dope as hell, fully charged, it runs for 4 hours. So you should be able, depending on how fast you cut, yo, you know what I'm saying, you should be able to get a pretty decent amount of cuts in off of one charge, you know what I'm saying? And I did see a video, and who video was it? I'm not sure who video was it, but somebody was like that they heard that the JRL clipper, it tells you when your clipper needs oil. Listen, JRL is changing the game. Wall has been around for years. Andis has been around for years. Babeless, they low-key been around for years, but they just hit the scene 2 years ago. Like, they came through and knocked the door down, you know what I'm saying? JRL, innovators, straight up innovators. I'm keeping it real with y'all. I have never picked up a pair of clippers that told me when my blades needed oil. That's such a game changer, especially for an upcoming barber, yo. Come on, man. My barbers have been in the game for a minute. Y'all know one of the main things that we be worried about as an upcoming barber is knowing your tools, your equipment. So if you got a tool that's telling you when it needs some maintenance done to it, come on, bro. And at the price point is that, come on, bro. You know, that's a game changer. Like mine need oil right now. I don't know if it's saying it now. It's not saying it now, but just on my last cut, I was looking at it and I seen, okay, I got 2 more hours. But then I seen a little light flash, a little oil light, just like in your car when you need an oil change, the same light comes on the clipper. It's a game. Listen, come on, man. I'm not gonna tell you guys, and I'm not sponsored by JRL. I'm not doing nothing. But JRL, if y'all wanna work something out, listen, get at your boy, you know what I'm saying? Instagram information, email, all that stuff gonna be in the description, you know what I'm saying, down below. So y'all get with me, man. We can make some things happen. But another thing, man, I like about this clipper right here, I'm gonna get close to the camera for this one right here. So I know you cannot see the notches that are on the clipper right here, but I don't know if you can hear them right now. You should be able to. I'm gonna back it up just a little bit. Game changer. Game changer. And listen, I'm talking to y'all and y'all still gonna be able to hear the clicks. Listen, I'm telling you, and that's turned all the way up. Look, that's halfway. Y'all see that little gap? That's when it's at its lowest speed, all the way up, no more gap. At its fullest speed. And look, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man. I'm telling you, JRL is changing the game, yo. Like, the only downfall I have with this clipper, I have a couple clients that like to wear a 5 o'clock shadow. So what I typically do, I open that lever all the way up and I go against the grain. I notice going against the grain on the face, the clipper gets stuck in the pore. Not one of those getting stuck in the pores and it's causing a lot of bleeding and irritation to the skin, but they do get stuck in the pores for me anyway. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna say for everybody, but for real, that's my only con with this clipper. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Everything else, man, I love this clipper. I've been using it for 3 weeks. I'm literally about to go pick up another one. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. For fading, A+, A1, whatever you wanna say, they like that. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like tough, you know what I'm saying? And then especially if you cut a lot of kids, yo, this the clipper you want, you know what I'm saying? Because it does, you know what I'm saying? I guess with a guard on it kind of gets a little louder, but it's not like too loud, you know what I'm saying? So it's one of those guards, like, it's one of those clippers you can use for whoever, you know what I'm saying? Which is a good thing, you know what I mean? But not gonna lie, man. Everybody that's been asking me, everybody that's been waiting to see what my verdict was gonna be, to see if you guys should purchase this clipper right here, go get it. Go get it, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, the only word I can put on this clipper right here is butter, you know what I'm saying? This is a whole year later, you know what I'm saying? I might do an update video maybe 6 months from now. I really don't feel like nothing gonna change with this clipper. It's built good, you know what I'm saying? I was worried about how the body is shaped, you know what I'm saying? Because we can't lie, JRL, they definitely bit off the, what is it, bevel? Yeah, the bevel trimmer, you know what I'm saying, with the body style. So I was kind of worried about that because, you know, like, man, I ain't gonna lie, it's different, but it's comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Like, the Babeless Gold FXs and like the FXs in general, it's kind of like you know what I'm saying? It's just more like round. It doesn't get narrow at the bottom like the JRL, the bevel would. So, like I said, yo, they main cuts approved. Y'all go out there and get it, man. You know what I'm saying? I got tutorials where I've used this on my channel, so you can go see this clipper in action. You know what I'm saying? I'll link that in the description as well. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, yo, y'all can hear this. So basically, that since you can't see the notches, all you got to do is listen. So like I automatically know all the way open is like, I think it's 4 or 5 notches. So just say it's 5 notches. So if I want to go halfway, I know I need to go 2 notches, and that's gonna be halfway on this clipper. So 1, 2, now I'm halfway. 2 more clicks, I'm closed. You see what I'm saying? So I think it's 4, you know what I'm saying? It's 4. So 2 clicks, you go 1, 2, you're in the middle, 2 more clicks, you fully closed. So just remember that, yo, and you're gonna know where you're at in your fade. But if you're looking for a clipper that has the notches on the side, the Babeless FXs, you know what I'm saying? I think they are a great beginner clipper. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, you know, but I'm not gonna lie. Once you get it down, once you know, if you fading with like a Wall Senior or a Magic Clip, you gonna have no problem getting to this. I'm not gonna lie to you, because like I said, you're gonna know, you start off your fade, level close, second guideline, level open, You know what I'm saying? Then you're gonna go ahead and close it back up to flick it up, and halfway gonna take that line out. So you already should know, you know what I'm saying? And it's like I said, just get it down, just listen to it, and you can see where you at in your face. So you should see like all the way open, boom. One click up, boom. One more click halfway. So now you know you got 2 more clicks. You see what I'm saying? It's kind of just like muscle memory. That's all it really is, yo. It's not nothing too crazy. But man, that's my verdict, man. Once again, if you're in the air debating if you should get it, go get it, yo. I'm not gonna tell you guys nothing wrong, man. And until next time, yo, y'all stay safe out here, yo. And most importantly, stay blessed, man. We out.